Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a quick tutorial and review on the brand new BH Cosmetics, their newest brow product, which is called the Studio Pro Shade and Define Duo Brow Pencil. Now, I do love and absolutely love their original brow pencil, and I love their brow palette, which is full of shades of powders and pomades, I believe, but this is brand new to me. And what it is a double-ended pencil, a retractable double-ended pencil with a thin, darker hued tip for drawing precise hair-like strokes and a thicker, slightly lighter hued tip for shading. Now this is the shade Brunette, which is the shade I used for the brow pencil, and the only thing I would say is there's definitely no spoolie, so you're gonna have to either already have one on hand, which I do in this video, or use it from another pencil. But that's not a huge problem, and I do love the shade. I am using the more defined and darker end, which is the kind of micro tipped side, and as you can see, it is amazing. It glides great on the skin and doesn't kind of get stuck in the hairs. It's not dry, it's not chalky, it's great, it's natural, and I love it. Again, so now I'm using the other side just to see if I can use just that side for a natural look. And as you can see, it is definitely a lighter shade. It's a little harder to work with, but if you you can always get messy with your eyebrows, in my opinion, because you can always clean it up at the end. So I am using the micro tip again just to fill it in for a darker kind of natural shade, and I am going to clean it up. So that's the best part. So after using this for a while, I do want to mention that if you are in like the summer months and it is super hot or you're sweating, it will get shiny. So I would definitely recommend using a powder over it, maybe the BH Ultimate Palette powder, but that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. This does retail for $10 and it's always on sale right now at $6. But yeah, hope it helped you out, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!